Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're going to use a COUNTIF to, well, count. It's that simple. What are we going to do? If an animal is in allowed, then count it. Otherwise, leave it false. All right, we're going to compare what? We have a range. We have range 1014, and it's going to be F5. Based on what criteria? Well, COUNTIF counts cells that meet a criteria, a single criteria. Range, well, it's right here. Criteria, B5. Is cow in this range or this list? Mark 1 if so. Otherwise, we have this other. If 1, here we're just counting. You're going to see cow, cow. Now there's no duplicates because we're just looking at B5 in our range here. I know we usually go, our information is usually on the left, and we're usually doing our reconciliation over here, but mix it up a little bit. And over here, this is what really the reason for this tutorial is. If you need to see true falses, put a greater than 0. Greater than 0. Why? Well, because this is true. This is true. And we counted. We counted, all right? And if you put it greater than 0, it's going to say true. Even though, see, notice pig, we have 2 pig. Then the output here is also true. Now hit F9 and see 0, false. Greater than 0, false. You could also do an if statement here. If C5 is 0, you could just say false. If C5 is greater than 0, then put true. Either way, over here is a narrative. Read it if you need it. Here's the anatomy. Pretty basic stuff. More of a review than anything. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.